Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Here I am going to show you how you can make Bansuri or flute for Lord Krishna on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. So before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video. Let's get started. The requirement which is need is a drawing sheet paper. Here I have taken a golden color chain and here golden color lace. And some kundans to decorate this one. So here according to my kanha size, I have preparing this flute. So you can do the same way. Here I am just rolling the paper this way. The glue to secure this paper and to make a stick kind of thing. Now I am going to cut from both sides so that it will be a proper shape. And after that I am taking this lace. So here I am just going to roll it this lace all over this stick this way. So it's ready now. Now I am going to decorate it with some kundan or chain and some stones like that. So here I have taken this buckram clip. I cut it into a leaf shape, then I apply some stones like that, you can see here. You can see here I am just decorating first this buckram piece which I cut it into a leaf shape. After decorating it, I am going to attach into that flute which I have prepared by using paper. So this way you need to prepare. This flute is almost ready after attaching this one. So it's a very easy way I did this one, and I already shared with you this Krishna dress and this crown and all the jewelries like that. So now I'm going to share with you this one. So after attaching this one with the flute which I already prepared, so it's almost done. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.